काम चल रहा है मंदिर का नहीं?
हाँ, चालू है।
चालू है, पूरा बन जाएगा ये?
एक में चल रहा है काम।
पूरा घेर लेंगे इसको नहीं? चारों तरफ से पूरा बनेगा। पहाड़ी पूरा साथ में खाइए।
अनुकूल है, पहाड़ है। दर्शन करने से हरिहर का दर्शन।
हरिहर
राधे 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 श्याम राधे राधे नंद kilala ki jai. All right, so we are in Charan Pahari. Huh?
राधे राधे
राधे राधे राधे राधे
राधे राधे
राधे राधे बोलो
राधे राधे
राधे राधे
राधे राधे श्याम मिला दे।
राम राम जी चकाचक चकाचक चकाचक. Okay, this is Charan Pahari, the lotus feet of Sri Krishna ji. Okay,
राधे राधे
see,
श्री कृष्ण
that is Krishna's left foot, then his right toe. So he is on the position of playing the flute, just like what you always have in your murti. Krishna is always
पैर
one, the left foot, then the right foot is at the back. No, like a tiptoe. That's why it's only the right toe was inscribed on the stone or rock
इंग्लिश में
of this Nandiswar Parbat. Huh? So let's go to Nandiswar Mahadev. Nandiswar Parbat Mahadev Ji ki jai. So this is Mahadev Nandiswar Parbat. We have a Shiva Linga here. So this whole Nandagown is the expansion of Shivji. It is called Nandiswar Parbat. Huh? Alright. Radhe Radhe. So, we are in Charan Pahari. Jai Ho. Ram Ram Ji, Chakachak, Chakachak.
लेफ्ट है, राइट।
Yes.
राइट का अंगूठा है, लेफ्ट।
Okay. So this is Charan Pahari. This is where the lotus feet of Krishna, no, was inscribed on the stone of Nandiswar hill or Nandiswar Parvat. Huh? Okay. So, I'm gonna tell you the story of the Charan Pahari. So, Krishna Balaram Ashram devotees last time, they couldn't make it. They couldn't able to visit this place because somehow, although we have so much time, we still have lack of time. No? Every minute and hour or seconds has been engaged in so different activities here in Braj. So anyway, I'm bringing you here right now in Charan Pahari. So shout out to all the brave souls who have survived the Braj Mandal Parikram. We are all very fortunate for visiting a lot of places here in Braj. It's a very, very rare opportunity. Not everyone could able to perform it. So these four rare souls had been given mercy by Radharani for allowing them to visit the different places here in Braj. Okay, so shout out muna sa ating mga kasamahan kila Rasarani. So nasukat na ba lahat ng mga pinamili? Nagkasya ba lahat? Baka nagbago na yung size. So sobrang dami ng mga kinain. So baka yung bilhin niyo hindi nakasya, padagdagan niyo na lang. Kala Prabhu Bhaktiras, nabilang na ba lahat ng mga pinamili? O yung iba hindi pa na ilalabas sa package dahil sobrang dami. Nagalit po yung mga namimili rito dahil wala na pong stock. Inubos nyo na po lahat ang mga devotional items sa Loy Bazaar. Naubos po ang stock ng Loy Bazaar dahil po sa mga taga Krishna Balaram Ashram. Sobrang dami na pinamili. Nag-over luggage na nga pero binayaran na lang excess luggage kaysa naman iiwan doon sa airport. Kahit mismo yung achar, hindi pinakawalan. And kaila Prebati Prabhu, nasukat na ba lahat ng mga pinamili? Nagamit na ba? Sukatin nyo na. At kay Prabhu Gian, na-check na ba ang OTP? OTD? Ano ba yung OTP? OTP kahit ano? Pag-araw-araw, sa loob ng isang buwan, meron kayong everyday new OTP. So yan, sobrang dami ng mga pinamili ng mga batang yan. Okay, so sa Sunday, lahat ng mga taga-ashram, bibigyan lahat ng mga pasalubong yan. Dahil mga masugid kayong taga-suporta ng Krishna Balaram Ashram, bigyan lahat ng pasalubong niya mga yan. Ating mga kasamahan dyan. Huwag natin pababayaan. Lahat po ng mga nagpupunta dyan, lahat po kayo may pasalubong. Okay? At lahat po ng mga pangalan nyo ay nailista na namin dito sa Braj. At very soon, makakarating din po kayo dito isa't isa. By the mercy of Krishna Balaram, Radhesham, Sisigorni Tay, we can bring you all here. So just stay focused and stay strong. Yung ibang klase yung pinakita yung dedikasyon sa pagsiserve sa ashram. Bihira po yan. Dahil sa kabila ng maraming mga pagpipigil. Pero naging malakas po tayo Kita nyo naman. Kaya nagalala lamang yung mercy na naibigay sa inyo. So kaya kayong matakot. Huwag kayong mag-alangan na bumisita sa ashram. Dahil red flag po yan kapag may nagbabawal po sa inyo, red flag po yan. Kaya better disobey the orders. Hindi po tayo blind followers. So may nagsabi sa inyo kung kayo pumunta, huwag po kayo makikinig doon. Yung, na sinasabi maging careful sa association, mga ganyan. Delikado po yan. Kaya mas mabuti na bumisita kayo at painggan nyo ang mga pastime sa ashram. Okay, so anyway, so we are here in Charan Pahari. So in Krishna book it is mentioned that when Akrura Ji came here in Braj or in Vrindavan in order to fetch up Krishna and Balaram for the wrestling match, because they were invited by King Kams in Mathura. So he was anticipated by finally that he is going to have darshan of Krishna. So when he crossed the border of Mathura and Vrindavan, so Akrura Ji, when he saw the footprints of Krishna in the grounds of Braj or in Vrindavan, immediately he got down from his cart and he offered obeisances. He offered pranams, the lotus feet, just like seeing the imprints of the lotus feet of Krishna. So it was mentioned that the whole Braj was filled by Krishna's lotus feet. That's why when we say Braj, that is where Krishna and the cow boys and the cows, that is where they were grazing the cows around this area. So as far as where they can go or reach in cow grazing, it is considered as part of Braj. So it reaches up to some part of Rajasthan in Bharatpur. Specifically, the Kamyaban is already part of the Rajasthan. So it is also part of Braj because Krishna and Balaram and all the Gopas and cows, they have a Charan Lila there. That is where they also graze their cows. So when Krishna, when he play his flute, when he plays his flute, because the sound of Krishna's flute is so sweet, I don't know how we could describe it, but it is mentioned that in Krishna's book that it is so sweet that every animate and inanimate entities here in Braj, they were stunned. They were stunned just by hearing the sound of Krishna's flute. All the birds stop singing, the Yamuna stops flowing, the trees, they stop moving, and the gopis, they become maddened and they become intoxicated, just by hearing the sound of Krishna's flute. So that is how it was described about the sweet tune or rhythm of this flute. So when Krishna played this flute, after the cow grazing Lila, coming from Kamyaban, because this place is just beside the highway, and that highway goes straight up to Kamyaban. So when Krishna, when they are about to return after grazing their cows in Kamyaban, they would pass by here. So here in the hill, Krishna went up in the hill and started playing his flute. So when Krishna played his flute, because it was so sweet, suddenly, the stone, it melted. So that's why when I showed you there, the left foot of Krishna was inscribed, only left foot. Then at the back of his left foot where he positioned his right foot, now in a tiptoe style, that's why it's only the right toe was inscribed. So in order for you to figure out, just take a look about your Krishnamurti or the paintings of Krishna. Krishna is always standing like that. His left foot in front and his right foot at the back, always standing on his right toe. That's why the imprint is only like left foot and the right toe of Krishna. So that is what all the Charan prints of Krishna here looks like in Braj. So that when Krishna played the flute, even the stone melted, that's how the inanimate objects is being affected by the sweetness of Krishna's flute. So that's why we have here the Krishna's lotus feet, which was inscribed on the stone of the Nandiswar Parbat hill. So Nandiswar, that is Mahadev, and Parbat means hill or mountain. So, and Lord Shiva, Lord Shiva, he was extremely delighted, and ecstasy when the imprint of Krishna's lotus feet was left on his heel, or it is also considered as on his head, because we are standing now at Lord Shiva's head. So he was extremely happy and he was in ecstasy. So finally he is going to carry eternally the imprint of Krishna's lotus feet. Wow. So Lord Shiva considered this as it's like a extreme mercy of blessing from Krishna. So after Krishna blessed him to become here in Braj as Nandagaon, So that is the desire. That is the desire of the Shivaji. And of course, Brahmachal Parbat or Lord Brahma's expansion as a hill is in Brashana. And also Radharani has his own inscription of her own lotus feet there. So Lord Brahma is carrying the imprint of Radharani's lotus feet. So this is the story here in Charan Pahari. This is how that lotus feet of Krishna was inscribed on the stone or on the rock of Nandiswar Parbat or the hill of Nandiswar Mahadev. Okay, so again, we will have another darshan of the lotus feet. So you have to take a look closer to the details of the lotus feet, which was imprint on the rock. So you can see here the left foot of Krishna, only left foot, and that is the right toe. You see the circle, Can you imagine the position, the style, how Krishna plays his flute? Just if you have a murti, just like that, no? The right foot is always at the back of this Krishna's left foot. So Krishna was playing his flute. Amazing, This is so amazing. Okay, so this is a peaceful place. See, there is a tree here that looks like a kunj. Actually, this is what kunj look like. If if they did not cut the branches or the leaves, it will cover it will reach out to the ground. So if you enter inside, those who are standing outside won't see you inside. So this is what you call kunj, So we have some cows here, small goshala. They are taking care of the cows. So so the dog is barking. Pakaro, pakaro. And we have here some sugar cane. Okay, so shout out again sa ating mga kasamahan dyan sa Krishna Balaram Ashram, yung mga full time natin dyan, mga nag-aalaga ng mga Giraj at Shalagram, kala Charu, kay Radha Jiban, at ang ating mga full time servant, mga Sevites, sila Kidipang, si Alvin, minsan si Akong, sino pa mga nandyan. At siyempre ang ating minabuting may chairman, si Jagad Bira, kanyang may bahay at mga anak, mga samok sa balay. Gala Prabhu Kaloy, kay Marge at sa mga bata, kay Shoes na palagi nagpupunta, kay Earl o kailang Earl at sa kanilang mga samok sa balay ng mga anak, kay Prabhu Adiguru, Dainya, malapit na, next month o next year, ewan ko kailan. Next year na pala, tapos new year na pala. At kay Prabhu Agali at Sanandana at kay Prabhu Mike and family na palagi nandyan at minsan kay Toto at Rara at minsan pupunta. Sino pa ba mga nakalimutan natin? Kay Prabhu Oji at kung sino pa, si Alvin, sila man lang dyan ngayon, sila Gian, si Baktiras, si Tita Ice at kung sino-sino pang mga nandyan. So, sa linggo, huwag po kayo mawawala. Pumunta po kayo para makuha nyo po ang inyong mga pasalubong. Bigayan na po, magkakaabutan na po at magkakabigayan. Okay. So, salamat sa lahat ng mga nagsiserve yan. So, it's a very rare ashram. So, I think that's the only ashram or center or, no, that is completely voluntarily run, no? So nobody gets any salary, nobody gets any allowance or anything. So everyone is like voluntarily serving the ashram from from the decision maker or managers up to the top pot washers. So nobody gets paid, no? So it's really rare in Philippines. So because our temples, no, and other centers, everyone gets their own share of salary. They won't. I don't know if they will continue to serve if they don't receive any salary. So that's why the mercy is more flowing. Those for those who are serving without any intention of expecting any salary or material things, because it's okay if you want to get salary, that's fine. Krishna will give you salary. You will get salary. That's the only thing you could get by serving. You get the money, you get the salary, bus. If you want position, Krishna will give you position. You will get the position, the power. So it's all a matter of different how we have. It's a matter of our intention. What is our intention in coming to the temple, centers, or ashram? So, and Krishna will provide or will fulfill your desire. But if you desire to understand, to hear more of Krishna's pastime, and to visit and his abode, like to be in Braj or Vrindavan, then Krishna will give you a chance. So that's how we are insisting or instilling in the minds of those who are attending in our ashram, that they should desire to be in Vrindavan. They should desire to serve voluntarily without any intention for fame, followers. No, if you want followers, Krishna will provide also. If you want that, if you want big followers, if you want to become famous, if you want to be adored, no, Krishna will provide all these things. He is the fulfiller of our desires. So it's up to you. It's up to us individually. What is our real intention? Right. Okay, so that's all. So we're gonna be right back. Again, we will visit some other Lila stands or pastime places that we haven't been visited for a while, especially those who just came here. So I will just bring you there through this medium, because we don't have enough time. We don't have enough time during your visit. So maybe you can spend more time. You can spend at least 2 to 3 months here in Braj. Then we have enough time to visit everything. But I think it's still not enough, even if you stayed for 1 year or so or more, because this Braj is completely full of Krishna's pastime, and every inch, in every corner of this area or this of Braj is saturated with the pastimes of Radha and Krishna, of Krishna, Balaram, and of the gopis and gopas. Okay, so anyway, everything is like Krishna's arrangement. So you are also fortunate. So again, shout out sa mga kagagaling lang dito, kila Rasarani, Bhaktiras, Giyan Prabhu, at kay Reva Tinandan. So please don't forget to share your experience, the mercy to other members of the ashram. So next time, sila naman ang dadali natin dito. Batch by batch lang, mahina ang kalaban. Okay, so that's all for now. Radhe Radhe, Nanda Kilala ki jai, Charan Pahari ki jai, Bolo Radha Rani ki jai. Radhe Radhe.